Custom fields. GiveCloud is your child database. All information pertaining to your children can be tracked within GiveCloud. By default, GiveCloud comes with some default fields to track information on your children, such as reference number, first name, last name, gender, birth date, and enrollment date. Custom fields allow you to track additional data points on your children in your sponsorship database. These custom fields can either be public or private. Private fields are used internally for tracking and reporting, but are not displayed to potential sponsors or current sponsors of a child. Public fields are shown on a child's profile for potential sponsors to see, and will also show up in the donor portal for current sponsors. Let's have a look at how you can create new custom fields on your children. You can do that in Features, Sponsorships, Custom Fields. To add a new custom field, click Add in the top right here. Then you can fill out the information for the custom field here, such as the name, the type of field, an internal description, and some options around visibility and geography. Let's create a new public custom field. So in this example, we'll create a custom field called School, and we'll make it a multi-select. So it's going to be a drop-down field with various options in it. And we're going to keep it, we're going to set it as a public field, which is show everywhere. And we're not going to enable geography on it. So let's hit save on that. Now that we've saved our custom field for School, let's add the options to it. To do that, you're going to hit Edit Options and click Add in the top right. Let's add a new option called School A. You can optionally also add a summary and a link for this. If you have, let's say, for example, a page on your site that has information around this school, you can put a link to it as well. Let's hit save on that. Now let's add another option. And now let's hit save on that. Now let's see where this shows up on your child's profile. So back in Features, Sponsorship, Children, let's click into a child. And here we can see our new custom field for School under Public Fields. Now once you've created that field, now you have to set the value of this field on your children. So for this child, let's set the value to School A, and then we can click Save in the top right here. Now let's have a look at how that shows up on the child's profile. Here, we can see our custom field with the selected option for this child showing up here. Now, custom fields can also be used to filter or report on your children. Let's have a look at that. So in Features, Sponsorship, Children, this is your internal sponsorship listing. Clicking More Filters will show additional filters, plus any custom fields that you have created. They will all show up here. So for example, we can filter on all children that belong to School A. Custom fields can also be used as filters on your public child listing. By default, the filters are age, birth month, and birth year, but any public custom fields you create can also be added as a filter to the screen. Let's see how to do that. In Features, Website, Site Design, under the Sponsorship tab, if we scroll down here to Filter Options, let's add the School filter option. You just need to type in the name of the custom field and click Add. then hit save in the top right. Now let's go back to our sponsorship listing. And if we click refresh on that, we can see that school is now an option with the options provided to be filtered on, displaying in the dropdown.